Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Equitable bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and the default search engine. Then search Equitable Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to my.equitablebank.ca. It will then take you to the official website of Equitable Bank. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your email address, then enter your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to sign in. Then you should be able to access your Equitable Bank account. To make login easier, you can click to remember my email, but I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to forgot password. And if you don't have any account yet, you can get help by clicking to sign up to create a new account. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.